Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a Black Friday haul, so pretty much everything that I got on Black Friday minus some of my stuff from Petula, because I'm gonna do a separate video for that. So let's get right into it. We will start with the Alphalete stuff that I got first. First up, I got this pink set. I actually already wore this and I love it. This is their Alphalete material, I think. I also just love this pink color, and then the little branding on the bottom is really cute, how it's not like embroidered, but it's like the raised kind of, I don't know if you guys can tell. There we go. Really cute though, strappy. Obviously I wouldn't recommend if you have like bigger boobs. These little straps probably will not be enough support for you. And then the back just has like a little crisscross. So super cute. Love the pink color, obviously, because pink is my favorite color. And then I just got the matching leggings. And the thing that I like about these the most is the waistband and how they crisscross. I just think it's really flattering. It really like brings in your waist by them doing that. This material is so soft. It's kind of like Lululemon Aligns. I would say it's comparable to that. And then again, they just have the branding on the back like that. The booty contour a little bit with the seams rising, and then they have these like cutouts. It's like a perforation kind of thing. They're like little cutouts just like all down the leg. They are very cute and very flattering also. And then I just got a pair of red leggings. Didn't have a matching sports bra like in stock, so I just got the leggings because they were on sale. But these are the Alphalete with the pocket, and I have two other colors of these and I absolutely love them. It's very similar to the other material, just it has a normal waistband and this one has pockets, but I love this bright red color. And then it has the Alphalete on the back, and then under it says Alphalete in like the raised kind of material that they use. And again, it has the seams on the back that kind of go up to accentuate your glute. Again, very cute. Everything in Alphalete sizing wise, I get a size small in leggings, sports bras, everything. Just because their sizing I feel like is very consistent, so I can pretty much always count on them to be a small. And then last thing I got is this like oversized long sleeve t-shirt. I love a long sleeve t-shirt, especially like an oversized. This is a crop version, which I also love. I like oversized crops better than like tight crops. I just think they're way more comfortable for like my arms and everything. So I just got this army green color. Again, I got a size small, and it just has the PBNS, which just stands for proud but never satisfied, which I really like. I think that's a great saying. So yeah, I really like this too. Again, very soft, like cottony material. Love that as well. All right, next up we will do Abercrombie. That's where a majority of this stuff is from. I did two separate Abercrombie orders. I did one just because I liked everything and they were having a good sale, and then I did another one like 2 days later because I wanted to get clothes for our engagement photo shoot. So I'm going to go into Abercrombie now. First up, I got this flannel. I absolutely love Abercrombie's flannels. They're so soft, comfortable, really good quality. I have a couple from there already, but I really liked this black and white one. The model had it on with like dark skinny jeans and like a black like higher neck shirt and like rider boots, and I thought it was a really cute like kind of like preppy look. So I got this, really soft. I got it in a small. Abercrombie's another one of those stores where I can get everything and like know it's gonna fit me because they're really consistent with their sizing. Really cute, just very soft black and white flannel, pretty basic. Next up, I got a bodysuit. If you're looking for bodysuits, go to Abercrombie. I have a million bodysuits from them because they're the best. I do get a medium in the bodysuits. I can do a small or a medium. If they have a medium, I just get a medium, so it's not like too like up my parts. So I got this one. This is what it looks like. I got a medium in this one. It's like a rustic kind of color, kind of like the color I'm wearing right now, but it is so soft. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's kind of like a sweater material, and it's just a long sleeve, so I think it'll just be really cute to throw on with jeans and booties and wear to work. So yes, very basic, very casual. This one I did get in a medium. Love that. Next up, I got this like mock neck long sleeve. I was gonna get the bodysuit version of this, but I opted for just the shirt since I have so many bodysuits. So this is the neckline, the mock neck. It's just like a ribbed material. It's on the thinner side. It's not really thick, like sweatery kind of thick, but it's just like a plain ribbed long sleeve shirt. Very casual. I like pieces like this because then you can just pair it with like different jeans and booties or a skirt. I'm thinking I have another like black, it's like black and brown plaid-ish skirt from Abercrombie. I think that this would be really cute with it, with like some high boots, and wear that for like Christmas or something like that. In general, they just have really good basics and things that you can wear for a really long time because they're not like really trendy things that like you're gonna wear for a season and then never wear it again. So that's why I really like Abercrombie, and they're really good quality. And sometimes the price point can be higher, but they have sales like every single day, so you can pretty much always get some sort of sale out of it. Next up, I got these sweatpants. These are honestly amazing. They're like a paper bag kind of like top. I got the dark gray, and I did get a medium in these. I like to size up in sweatpants just because I like them to be more comfortable. I don't want joggers that are like skin tight. I have one pair like that sometimes I'll wear out with like sneakers to make it more like an athleisure, but like when I want to wear sweatpants, I want to wear like comfy baggy sweatpants. So I got a medium, and they're perfect, like the perfect size, especially with the drawstring. Even if you size up, you can just like, if it doesn't fit your waist, just pull it in with the drawstring. They are really thick, and they have like a really soft material on the inside, and they're just like normal joggers. And then the bottom, they kind of like flare out like the paper bag kind of look too. But I just thought that these were really cute and a necessity because I live in sweatpants and sweatshirts. So I also got a pair of jeans. So I got another pair of mom jeans. I love their mom jeans. Every time I wear the mom jeans, I get so many questions on what jeans they are, where I got them from, just because they're the perfect amount of like bagginess, but not too baggy where like you look like frumpy. I don't like them to be really baggy. Like I don't like a boyfriend jean. That's just like too much for me. So I prefer their mom jeans. I get a size 27, and I got the long version because I like to cuff them, and with the short, it's like too short. It's like an ankle on me. I'm 5'4" for reference also, but with the long, I can cuff them, and I think that they look really cute. So I just got the dark wash. My other ones that I have are, I have a light wash and a medium wash of the mom jean, but I just got the dark wash, ripped, and then the bottom is just kind of like cut and frayed. So this is what they look like. They are super cute. Abercrombie jeans are really flattering too, and I am the worst with jean shopping. It's really hard for me to find jeans that fit my legs and my butt and my waist, and it's just a struggle. I've always struggled with this since I was like little, and it was like the most painful experience going jean shopping with me. But Abercrombie, so consistent with sizing. If I get a 27, then I know they're gonna fit me. So I got all of my jeans from Abercrombie. Next up, I have this little sweater. So I got this black ribbed sweater. The neckline is like kind of bigger, so you can wear it off the shoulder. And then the sleeves are like puffy, and then they just have like the cuff at the bottom. So this is really cute. It is a little bit cropped, but it like goes perfectly with high-waisted jeans. Like it hits you right where your jeans come up. But I think I'm gonna wear this for engagement photos for like our casual look with jeans and like booties. So this is what I'm thinking, just because I want to be like neutral. I don't want to wear something and then look at them like 5 years later and be like, wow, I really wish I didn't wear that. So I'm going like very, very basic with what I'm wearing and what Kyle's wearing, so that we don't look back on them and we're like, what were we wearing? Like, and it's like, you don't like them anymore. So I think I'm gonna wear this, just simple black sweater. It's so soft. It's not like a really thick material, but it's still like warm enough. And then last thing, I think it's last thing from Abercrombie, yeah. Last thing from Abercrombie, I got this sweater dress also for engagement photos. So it has a mock neck. This is the only thing I'm concerned about with, I'm getting my makeup done and I don't really know how to go about the whole mock neck thing with my makeup done. So that's a little bit concerning for me, but I guess we'll figure it out. I've seen things where like people flip their hair over their head and then put it on so that they don't get makeup on it. So I might try that, or just like look up other little hacks so that I don't get makeup all over my white sweater dress, but whatever. This is like a thick sweater material, so that's good because we're taking our photos in end of December and we live in Pennsylvania, so it's absolutely freezing. So we're gonna be very cold during the photos, but it'll just be like jacket on, photo time, jacket off, jacket back on kind of situation. So it's just a bodycon white long sleeve sweater dress, very simple. It's really cute, very fitted. I thought it would be perfect because it's white, it's plain, and then I can wear like some tall boots with it and it'll be really cute. So that is it from Abercrombie. And now I just have a couple like random things to show you guys. I got this jacket from Missguided. I got a size 6 because I never know what size to get in stores like this, like Missguided, Princess Polly, Pretty Little Thing, all of those types of stores. I never know what size to get because I don't know, I'm just thrown off. It's a little bit big. I kind of wish I got a 4, but oh well. It's so cute. It's like a aviator kind of style. It's like a cream leathery material, and then it has the Sherpa detailing. So it has the Sherpa detailing like stripes down the side, and then the back and the sleeves have like most of the Sherpa detailing. So it's like down the shoulder, and then on the neck and the back is the most of the Sherpa detailing, and then all of the zippers and everything are just silver. And then it does have like this belt at the bottom, which I don't know if I'll keep this on or not. It had one around the neck and I didn't like it around the neck, so I took that one off, but I'll probably take the one on the bottom off too. But I just think this is really cute. It's actually like really thick and warm too, because the inside is the Sherpa material, which I think is key because I love when a Sherpa jacket is Sherpa on the inside too. I hate when it's not and it's like a cold kind of material, because then it's like, what's the point of having the Sherpa if it doesn't feel like that inside? So the sleeves have it inside too, like halfway. All of the sleeve is Sherpa except for the part where it's Sherpa on the outside. For some reason that part is like the leather part. So I got this, super cute, love it. And then I got these boots from Target. I ordered them online. They're true to size. I did try them on. I was wearing 8 and I got an 8 and they fit. I'm gonna wear these boots with the sweater dress. So I think they're really cute. They just have like a little heel, just like tan. They have a little bit of like a braided kind of detailing. They're a good dupe for the ones, I don't even know what brand they are. They're really expensive though. They're like $200, but like every fashion blogger I feel like has them, like the tan tall heeled boots. So they're a good dupe for that. That is it for today's haul. I am going to try to link everything down below. Hopefully everything is still in stock, and I'll put my sizes in the description also in case you guys need them for reference. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.